welcome back to Mary Kelly. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Here we're going to be sharing with you our natural hair journeys. Stay tuned. So today I'm going to show you a style that I'm going to be doing on my daughter's hair, and it's African threading the simple way. And this style is very easy to install and very easy to take down. What could be better, guys? So first things first, I'm going to make sure I moisturize the hair before I do a lot of detangling and combing. And I'm using our leave-in conditioner, which is the Jewel Castor Rich leave-in conditioner. It's got castor oil and it's got very lovely moisturizing ingredients in it. Posting some very, very exciting natural hair videos. We are all natural and we love being natural. I'm also using the Jewel Castor Rich Hair and Scalp Oil, which is great for sealing in moisture and also keeping your scalp healthy. So that's one side completed, and as you can see, the style is very, very easy to do. And I've done the African threading in a corkscrew style. I hope that's the name, just to make it look a little bit more stylish. We will not be defeated. We've got the palace. Constant will remain like a mighty army. In the name of Jesus, Satan, you will have to flee. Whoa, 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 we've got the power. In the name of the Lord, go Satan. Hello guys, so that's how I go about my daily chores. I love singing a little song, and sometimes I can go crazy with the singing, but parts of my song are just cut off, and well, I hope it's okay. So that's me almost done with the style, and with this style you can do lots of different styles, and there I was just trying to work out what style she wanted to do, and that's it. Very, very easy to do. This particular style actually looked quite nice, but we ended up opting for a top bun because it's just easier to maintain and keep the style for a bit longer. So guys, that's it. Thank you all for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do, and until next time, bye bye.